Now that you understand the power of keyword research, it's time to level up your game with the best tools available in 2025. In this lesson, we're diving deep into 3 of the most powerful ASO keyword tools: App Tweak, Sensor Tower, and Mobile Action. Let's start with App Tweak. App Tweak is known for its intuitive interface and powerful data visualizations. With App Tweak, you can explore keyword volumes, competition scores, and even get real-time suggestions for related keywords. What sets App Tweak apart is its ability to show how your keyword rankings evolve over time. This lets you track the impact of your ASO efforts and see where you're winning and where you might need to pivot. App Tweak also has a feature called Keyword Impact Analysis. It shows you which keywords are driving the most downloads and revenue for your competitors. That means you're not just guessing, you're leveraging real data to shape your keyword strategy. Plus, App Tweak's ASO score helps you quickly assess the strength of your listing, so you can spot weaknesses before they hurt your rankings. Next up is Sensor Tower. Sensor Tower is like having a crystal ball for App Store performance. Its keyword research tools are incredibly robust, giving you deep insights into search volumes, difficulty scores, and traffic share. But what makes Sensor Tower stand out is its competitive analysis feature. It lets you see how your keyword rankings stack up against your competitors and how your app's performance changes over time. Sensor Tower also has a powerful keyword spy tool. It shows you exactly what keywords your competitors are ranking for and how they're trending over time. This is essential for staying ahead of the competition and finding keyword gaps that you can capitalize on. Finally, let's talk about Mobile Action. Mobile Action has built a reputation for being incredibly user-friendly while still offering advanced ASO features. One of its best features is keyword intelligence. With this, you can see historical trends for any keyword, helping you predict future opportunities before they happen. Mobile Action also offers category rankings and market intelligence tools. This gives you a broader view of the market, helping you see where your app fits and how you can stand out. Another standout feature is ASO report cards. These give you a snapshot of how your app is performing and suggest actionable ways to improve. So, how do you use these tools together? The secret is triangulation. No single tool has the complete picture. Each one pulls data from slightly different sources and uses unique algorithms. By combining insights from App Tweak, Sensor Tower, and Mobile Action, you get a 360-degree view of the keyword landscape. Throughout this course, we'll show you exactly how to integrate these tools into your workflow. You'll learn how to pick the right keywords, test and iterate, and build a data-driven ASO system that keeps you ahead of the competition. Remember, tools are only as powerful as the strategy behind them. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the knowledge to turn these tools into your secret ASO weapons, giving you the edge you need to dominate the app stores in 2025. Let's dive deeper and start mastering these powerful tools.